What's up guys, Gamma 1 and 2 from Dragon Ball. Let's go. I'm on a landscape page, use a pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. I'm going to start with the eyes of Gamma 1. Gamma 1 is just like right here, okay? Let's rock. So we do this V. Like that. And then we have like just some frowns for his brow, just above. Eyes. So kind of square, right? So we go diagonal here, diagonal there, and we join these together. Like that. And then his iris, long, elliptical iris, kind of like a grain of rice, like with the top cut off. Then you just color black. Right, same on this side. Diagonal line there, kind of short. This one's longer. And then you go around, curve, join together. Right, and then iris, again, grain of rice. There, and then dark. Right? So they have these big, it's like they're wearing glasses. So they have this big dark section around. So you just go around the eye again. Right, and you color that dark. Right, so they've no noses. Is that right? There's nothing drawn into the picture I can see. So we just go down and do the mouth, right? So flat line across like so. And then it's kind of in Dragon Ball style. They curve them down on the sides a little bit like that. And then we got just like a shadow underneath his bottom lip. Like so. Chin. So just kind of this small sort of V-shaped kind of chin here, and this goes up to his jaw on this side. It goes up this way. Right, so the same pretty much on this side. Up to the jaw, up the side of his face. They have this extra sort of space inside here, so it's like a different color. So you just go down both sides and then down towards the chin and then back up. Like so. So we've got those round ears that, you know, it's an enemy in Dragon Ball when they have these ears. Right? And they have a round sort of ball or something sticking out then. There. And Gamma 1 has a fin going right up the middle of his head. Comes down the back. And then around to there. And then his round head just comes down this way. Like that. So neck, not overly muscular that way. And then his collar comes around like so and down. And then we have the top of it here. And then they both have capes, so they come over his shoulder, right? So I'm coming down here. We can't really see the other one because of Gamma 2's hand is on his shoulder. So we'll just draw in this one first. It's got a button on it and then these bumps there. Okay, and then his big sort of collar for his uniform comes across here. And then we see a shoulder going that way. Two more buttons each side, it looks like, or is there three? I can't see below this, so I'm gonna guess there's just two. Can we see two? right? And then we got like an edge line around this, and then like a fold line on his arm, and some more sort of collar lines here. But again, we have Gamma 2's hand just in here. So we'll just draw his one. Going down that way. And then like there is a bit of that red, this thing sort of here. We can see a bit of it, right? We can see like the bottom. And the bumps. But there's a hand here. And his other shoulder comes out down that way. We got some fold lines just for his armpit. And there's a Red Ribbon Army crest here. Now hit pause if I'm going too fast, right? And then the white here, and there's like an R. There. Okay, so Gamma 2 is over here, and we got like a hand pointing at us this way, right? So we got like 3 knuckles. 1, 2, 3. Right, and then the fingers. 1, 2, 3. And this one comes up the side. And then we have a finger pointing straight out. Carving around the top. And you just go like 3 sort of bumps like this. And then finger lines just in here. And we got like some knuckle lines just on the fingers here. Carve there. His thumb sticks out this way. And he's like wearing a glove, so it's like a glove line here. And his forearm curves around the back, just there. And he's got like one of those silver buttons on his arm here. There's another line going down that way. So his body is like kind of slanted and his head is like here. So say like, we'll go for like his shoulder line, like there. Right? And then like his chest. So we got like a bumping thing for a cape here with one of those buttons on top. And then his chest goes that way. Maybe another button. And then his shoulder comes out and down. And then his body goes that way. Right, and then 2 more buttons. So another one here. Like that, and then curve around that way for the 2. So his neck coming up here, and this will like collar will go around his chin at some point. Here, another kind of clothing line or something like so, and another shoulder clip for his cape. There. So shape for his face, so we got like his chin. There. And then the side of his face comes up, change direction for his cheek because he's in 3/4 pose. And then we have this V across his eyes like that. So again, completely different shape when we're in 3/4 to when it's facing forward. So his eyes then, short line, longer line, curve it together. Iris is kind of pointy, and it's black as well. His other eye, so it goes down here, much smaller now because it's turned away from us. That's the main thing to remember. And his iris is just black in the corner here. And then we have a black section around the eyes. And sort of a darker section here. And then you color those black. Or shade them dark. And he's smiling. Like so. Bottom lip sort of line there. And then we have that line on the face, goes down to the chin. And then we have that round ear. With another sort of silver round area inside. And then the back of his neck and the back of his head curves around that way. And the front just goes up here. So he has two fins. Gamma 1. I guess is that why he's called 1? Maybe. So we got like two big shark fins, right? So coming from like the center point here of the V. So you'll have like one that goes that way down. And another one that comes out from here. Smaller than the other one. That's the main thing to remember. And then we can see the inside of it. And this one will touch his head that way. Do 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 do. So he's probably trickier than him because we're in 3/4 pose, but I wanted to draw both of them together. So I hope it was helpful. Another line here. Gamma 1 and 2. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.